So here we have the Seat Leon 1.6 diesel SE DSG, which is the automatic on a 17 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see that it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of it from there. So as we approach the back of the car, you'll see we've got reversing sensors, plenty of boot space, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seats as well. I'm just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now, and then I'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see not only is it a lovely looking car, but it's in great condition as well. Just briefly before I climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. These seats are as good as new. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, we're going to start off with the dials. On the left-hand side, we've got the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle, you can see the trip computer, which includes the total miles for this car of 15,296. Above that is a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change the information that's displayed there using controls on the steering wheel. At the moment, we are in the driver data menu, so it's all various different bits of fuel economy information, but there are other menus to the right and left. Things like satellite navigation, your audio, your phone, vehicle systems, and back round to driver data again. The buttons I was using a moment ago are these ones here. So that will take you through the various different types of menus. Then when you find one, you want to go through, use this roller to go up or down through those menus. We also have voice activation for the phone over here as well. So hit that button, ask it to dial anyone in your contacts list, and it will do that for you without you having to remove your phone from your bag or your pocket. Over on the left-hand side, we've got stereo controls, and then just behind that on the indicator stalk, we have cruise control as well. Over in the center is where our kind of screen is for setting up your phone and various other things. You can see, for example, satellite navigation, radio, media. It's all touchscreen, so if we wanted to go to the radio, we can hit that screen and it'll open up our radio. If we hit band up in the top corner, it will show us that we've got DAB digital radio as well as FM and AM. We can go back to the main menu at any point in time by pressing that button. In terms of media, there's plenty of ways to listen to your music in this car aside from just the radio, and they are highlighted there. So you can see there's a CD player there, a couple of SD memory card slots, 2 USB inputs. You can also stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio, and there's an auxiliary input as well. So really loads of ways to listen to your music. And then back to the main menu again. Working our way down from there, we've got a few buttons. So that one's the stop and start. This car's designed to cut out in traffic to save you fuel. If you'd rather not use that system, hit this button and it will turn it off. And then beneath that, we've got the air conditioning for the car. So temperature is controlled by this dial, fan speed with this one, direction of the air over here, and then hit that button to turn the air conditioning on or back off again. We then have the fully automatic DSG gearbox with an electronic handbrake. This one here is the auto handbrake. So when you come to a complete stop, it will put the handbrake on automatically for you if that button is enabled. And then in the glove box, that is where the CD player and 2 of the SD memory card slots are both stored. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.